Welcome to another tutorial video of the Coiled Spring Terminal. Today we're going to explore one of the features that we believe sets the platform apart from traditional option scanners, Coiled AI, the artificial intelligence integrated directly into the terminal. Coiled AI is not a general-purpose chatbot. It has been specifically designed for financial markets, financial instruments, and, most importantly, LEAPS options. Its purpose is to help users understand the platform, interpret scanner results, and deepen their knowledge of options trading and the Coiled Spring strategy. To access Coiled AI, simply click the Coiled AI button. A panel will open within the terminal, giving you direct access to the AI assistant. You'll notice a number of predefined questions that can be useful for new users. However, you're free to ask your own questions and interact with the AI naturally. If needed, you can expand the AI panel to make better use of your screen and work more comfortably. Let's start with a simple example. Suppose we want to understand the core philosophy behind the Coiled Spring strategy and learn when it may be appropriate to enter a position. We can simply ask the question and let Coiled AI analyze the request. After a few moments, the AI provides a detailed explanation of the strategy. It explains how the Coiled Spring strategy is built around the concept of preparing for major market moves rather than trying to predict them. Black swan events cannot be forecast with certainty, but investors can position themselves in advance to benefit from periods of market dislocation and volatility expansion. The AI also explains the role of LEAPS options within the strategy, making it particularly useful for users who may not yet be familiar with the concepts discussed in the book. Another practical use case involves ticker symbols. Many investors know the name of a company, but do not remember its ticker symbol. For example, we can ask, what is the ticker symbol for Amazon, and what is its current price? Coiled AI will provide the correct ticker symbol along with current market information. We can then use that ticker directly within the scanner and continue our analysis.
The AI can also help identify securities from their ISIN codes. If we have an ISIN but are unsure which financial instrument it represents, we can simply ask Coiled AI for clarification. It can identify the underlying security and provide additional information about available options and related market data. One of the most powerful features of Coiled AI is its ability to help interpret scanner results. For example, imagine that the scanner identifies NVIDIA with an IV rank of 9 and an IV percentile of 14. We might ask, the scanner shows NVIDIA with an IV rank of 9 and an IV percentile of 14. Is this a good opportunity according to the Coiled Spring strategy? What would be an appropriate strike price for a LEAPS call? Rather than simply displaying numbers, Coiled AI analyzes the context and provides insights that help us understand whether the setup aligns with the principles of the strategy. We can go even further and ask, does this represent a good Coiled Spring setup? What would be the ideal strike price and expiration date for a LEAPS call? The AI evaluates the information available and provides its reasoning, helping users better understand the opportunities identified by the scanner. In this way, Coiled AI acts as more than just an educational resource. It becomes an analytical companion that helps users interpret data, evaluate opportunities, and better understand the logic behind potential trades. Another important use case is risk management. For example, we might ask, I have $30,000 available to allocate to LEAPS options. Apple currently has an IV rank of 11, while SPY has an IV rank of 8. How should I allocate my capital according to the principles of the Coiled Spring strategy? Coiled AI will analyze the situation and provide guidance on capital allocation and risk management based on the principles of the strategy. As you can see, more complex requests may require a few moments of processing time. However, Coiled AI is capable of providing detailed, contextualized, and actionable responses designed specifically for investors and options traders. Whether you need help using the platform, understanding options concepts, interpreting scanner results, or applying the principles of the Coiled Spring strategy, Coiled AI is designed to be your intelligent assistant inside the Coiled Spring terminal.